How to use a consent field to Gravity Forms. Everyone who fills a form on your website can provide consent by using the Gravity Forms consent field, which you can gather and save. You might want to request that your viewers accept the terms and conditions of your service or your site's privacy policy. You can include the yes or no consent checkbox and a detailed description of what is being consented to in the consent field. So it is simple to add a consent field to a form. You can open an existing form or create a new one. Let's try. So then inside the form builder, select the advanced fields, drag and drop the consent field. You can also change the field label and the checkbox label text to make the field more relevant to your visitor. Next, paste the text of your agreement under the description field. You can also choose to make the field required, which is helpful. So if you only want to accept form submissions from users who have given their consent, click this and then save the form, then preview it. So from here, if you don't mark the checkbox, you can submit it. So you have to mark this and then click submit. That's all. Thank you for watching.